This is a physical automatic keyboard clicker or also a gaming clicker to simulate touching the controller. So this actually, my son bought this with his birthday money and he plays Fortnite like many other kids. And there's so many times where it's come down for dinner or whatever, and it's, I can't, I'm gonna lose whatever, I don't even know, whatever you get in Fortnite. And he wants to be able to show that he's still online. So this is the solution for that because you can set it up. So here's an Xbox controller and it clicks the button. So it's as if he is active in the game, and he'll get whatever it is that he wants to get from the game. So it was really easy to set up. So this is the main part that you put into this device. That's where the power button is. You can reset, and there's 3 ports. So I guess if you have multiple controllers that you want to do, the ports are back here. So whatever you're plugged into, so it's in port 1, that's the setting that you're going to use for the one. So if you hold down that button, you can control how fast or slow the clicking goes. So right now, I just made it speed up a little bit. You can also make it go down a little bit slower. And you can see it just clicks that button for you. It's super easy. It has a USB, so you can plug it into any USB. And there you have it.